Here at St. Gerard, we believe that every child has unique talents and strengths, and we're committed to fostering their intellectual, emotional, and social growth. We are very excited to take you on a tour and show you truly why St. Gerard is a place to shine. We believe that a well-rounded education is essential for success in today's rapidly changing world. Whether they are participating in music and dance programs, playing sports, or exploring the latest technology, our students are having fun while they learn and grow. Here at St. Gerard, we have a safe and welcoming environment. Our dedicated teachers and staff work tirelessly to create a supportive and engaging learning environment for every student. They provide individualized attention to each student to help them reach their full potential.
We are thrilled to showcase and share with you all the amazing things that are happening in our classrooms and around our school. As students, we are challenged and inspired to develop critical thinking skills, creativity, and a love of learning. We participate in a variety of extracurricular programming such as music, arts, physical education, and technology such as Ozobots, Dot and Dash, a 3D printer, and a makerspace area.
St. Gerard offers kindergarten with full-day programming. The kindergarten program is half-day taught by a certified teacher where students follow the Alberta curriculum. For the other half of the day, kindergarten students spend time in our extension studio. An early childhood educator focuses on inquiry-based learning and guides our students through meaningful play and experiences. Many families find a full day of school for our young ones to be extremely beneficial and a great start to their educational journey.
Our library is not only a place for books, but it's also a place for innovative and collaborative learning. Due to strong support from our parent council, we have access to the latest technology to enhance our learning. There are one-to-one Chromebooks, and we're starting a new makerspace and STEM area. Our library showcases the latest and greatest book series as well as many novels that feature diversity and different cultures. Each day we do guided reading, writing, and literacy learning. In our sensory room, we have created a sensory-focused environment. It is a safe place that can help you calm and focus on being ready for learning. We also use the space to work on our social skills as well as work in small groups doing team building activities.
Twice a week, we come to the music room to engage in music appreciation. Our students learn to play the ukulele, recorder, and other instruments, including the xylophones. Music class is a fun way to show our love of music and learn new and exciting things.
We love our school gym. It is a place to play games, sports, as well as engage in school-wide events such as inline skating, core dancing, drumming, Fits and Ninja, and Mission Impossible. We also use this gym as a sacred space for many liturgies and religious celebrations throughout the year. St. Gerard is lucky to have an outdoor classroom. This is such a great space because we can use it year-round. Our school council worked tirelessly to fundraise for a new, safe, accessible playground. The playground is a community hub where children of all ages can play safely and have fun.
Every morning, we receive a hot breakfast delivered straight to our classrooms. Not only do we get breakfast, we also have a daily lunch and snack program.
St. Gerard is blessed to have an after-school care and daycare on site. They offer a caring and rich learning environment.
Thank you for joining us on a tour of our lovely school. We look forward to welcoming your family into our school community.
You can register online at our school website, stgerard.ecsd.net, or give us a call at the school if you have any questions or would like a personal tour. please don't hesitate to reach out.